Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Code with Hafiz. My name is Hafizullah Masoodi, and this is our second video in how to create multiple authentication system in Laravel 7. As you guys remember, in the last video we set up and installed everything in our project that we needed. So in this video we will start from separating our admin and other users login redirection. But before we start, guys, I want to say that if you didn't have subscribed to my channel, please first subscribe to my channel to not miss more videos from me. And if you have any kind of suggestions or any request, please feel free to contact me via this email. So let's start. Let's open our project in the code editor. First of all, let's open our project in the browser. So my WAMP server is already running. I will type localhost/multi-auth and press enter. Let's also open our phpMyAdmin. Localhost/phpMyAdmin. Username root, press enter. And let's go to our multi-auth database and our users table. As you can see, these are the 4 users that we created in the last video, and if we log in from each one of them, they will only redirect to the same page. So we want to separate the administrator login redirection from other users, because we want to give full access to the admin but partial access to other users. So let's open our code, and in here let's go to app, http controllers, auth and login controller. First of all, in here let's use illuminate /http/request, and now at the bottom let's declare a protected function by the name of authenticated, and inside the brackets request $request comma user or curly brackets. Now inside the method let's put an if statement, but before that let's also comment this redirection, because we don't want to use this one after this. We want to separate the login systems, so for that we have to declare an if statement, and we want to say if user arrow has role administrator. So inside the brackets we want to return our view, or not view, our redirect, and arrow route, and the route should be admin dashboard. And after this if this statement we want another if statement, and we want to say $user if $user arrow has role the other users that we have, for example, are director, manager and employee. So if we go back to the code in here, let's say, but before that let's also give it another brackets, director and comma manager and comma employee. So for these users we want to return redirect arrow route, and the route should be user dashboard. So guys, let's go to our routes file and create these routes, which is in routes folder web.php. Okay guys, in here let's press enter and say route colon group, and inside group first we want our prefix, which should be equal to admin slash, because we want this admin name in all our routes for the admin. And after that we want our middleware, and this equals to our role as administrator. And after our brackets let's put a comma and say function curly brackets, and this is all. So this is how to protect your admin route using middleware. Let's also do the same for the other users. So for them we can say route group, and this time we want our prefix to be equal user slash. After user slash we want comma, this time our middlewares, which equals to role colon not minister director, and pipe advisor pipe or not advisor manager, and the last one is employee. And in here we want a comma function and our curly brackets. Let's also create our first route for the admin. For that we can say route get, and after that we want to say dashboard comma, this should go to admin controller, and at dashboard method, and the name should be also admin dashboard. Let's copy this route and paste it for the users also, and this one should go to user dashboard. The dashboard should be the same, controller should be user controller, and dashboard also the same. Let's create these two controllers in our project. So for that we have to open a terminal, and inside first we want to go to inside our project. So for that we can say cd ///wamp 64/ww/multi-auth. Now we want to create a controller first for our admin. So we can say php artisan make colon controller, and its name should be admin controller. Press enter. After that we want another controller by the name of user controller, and press enter. Now let's open our controllers, admin controller and user controller. So in admin controller let's say public function or function, double underscore and construct, and inside this construct method let's first say this arrow middleware auth, because we want to check the users first to be login. And after that let's say this arrow middleware, and inside here let's say role colon administrator. And after our construct method let's say public function dashboard, and inside the dashboard let's create load a view. So we can say return view admin dot dashboard. Let's go to our user controller, and here let's copy in this construct, or let's copy these both methods. from here and paste it in our user controller. In first one, the roles should be director, pipe, manager, pipe, employee. And for the dashboard, let's say user.dashboard. Let's create both folders and files. In our view folder, which is in resources, views, and in here let's first create a folder, call it admin, and another folder, call it user. So for the admin, let's create a new file, say dashboard.blade.php, and for the user also we want a new file, dashboard.blade.php. Let's also create another folder inside admin folder, which should say layouts, and inside our layouts let's create a new file and name it admin.blade.php. And for the users also we want a new folder by the name of layouts, and inside the layouts let's create a file and call it user.blade.php. Now for these two, let's open our main layouts file folder and app.blade and copy everything from here, paste it inside the admin and also inside the user. And let's go to first our admin dashboard, and here we can say extends admin.layouts.admin, and we want a section of content. For the user dashboard, let's say it extends from user.layouts.user, and we also want a section for our content. Save it. In here let's say hello user, and for the admin let's say hello admin. Now let's test our code. So if we go to the browser and refresh our project, let's say administrator at app.com, and the default password for our account is password. So press enter, and we don't get anything because did we save our main layouts for admin and also user? Let's also save these two and get back to our browser and refresh. Yeah, we didn't save our files. As you can see, now we are logged in as admin, and if we log in as another user, let's open another browser and go to localhost/multi, press enter, and if I click on login, and now we want to log in as director at app.com, and the password is password, press enter. As you can see, now we are logged in as users. So this is a user dashboard and this is a admin dashboard, and both are working just fine. If we log out from administrator and get back to user, yeah, we are not logged out, and if we logged out from here, it works also. So guys, this was how to separate our login systems for administrator and other users. Hopefully it was useful for you guys and you learned something, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and more tutorials like this. So for now, bye guys, see you guys in the next video.